Hi, I'm Destry with JJ Safety, and today we're talking ladder inspections. Ladders are a common tool in many workplaces, but they can also be one of the most dangerous if not properly inspected and maintained. According to the Consumer Product Safety Commission, CPSC, there are approximately 300 ladder-related fatalities and 165,000 emergency room visits due to ladder injuries each year in the United States. OSHA has specific guidelines for ladder safety and inspections, including 29 CFR 1926.1053B for construction and 29 CFR 1910-23 for general industry. Okay, enough with the word salads. Let's get to the inspection. Start with a visual inspection. The first step in inspecting a ladder is to give a visual examination. Look for any obvious signs of damage or wear, such as cracks, dents, or bent rungs. Check for loose or missing parts and make sure all feet caps are intact. Check the label. Every ladder should have a label containing weight capacity, manufacturer, and model number information. Check the label to make sure it's legible and matches the ladder you're inspecting. Check the rungs. The ladder rungs are the part you step on, so they are one of the most important parts to inspect. Check each rung to make sure it's securely attached to the ladder and is not loose or wobbly. Look for any signs of damage such as cracks or rust. Check the rails. The ladder rails are the sides you hold onto while climbing. Check each rail to make sure it is straight and not bent or warped. Look for any signs of damage such as cracks or splits. Check the locks and hinges. If the ladder has locks or hinges, such as a folding ladder, check them to make sure that they are functioning properly. Make sure they lock securely in place and do not wobble or move. Check the feet. Okay, let's get to the inspection. The feet of the ladder are the parts that touch the ground, and they are critical for stability. Check each foot to make sure it's intact and not missing any parts. Look for signs of wear or damage such as cracks or splits. Finally, step back and look at the ladder as a whole. Does it look sturdy and well maintained, or does it look old and worn out? If you have any doubts about the safety of the ladder, do not use it. Inspecting your ladders can help prevent potential accidents and injuries. Inspect your ladders regularly, especially if they're used frequently or subjected to heavy use. Inspections should also be conducted after any incident that could damage the ladder, such as a fall or impact. Don't forget, ladder safety is everyone's responsibility. Taking the time to properly inspect and maintain ladders keeps everyone safe on the job. Okay, enough with the word salads.
For more content, subscribe to our channel and follow JJ Safety on our other social media platforms.